Hola, buenos dias. I'm so sorry I could not be there today. However, I have created this video for you so that things will go seamlessly today, and I'm expecting a great report. So, today you guys are just going to finish your projects. I'm going to show you how, after you have finished, how to submit or turn in the assignment on Google Classroom. So let me show you that now. Okay, of course, you will go into your classroom, into our Spanish classroom. If you need the code to get into the classroom, this is it here. If anyone needs it, the teacher can pause it. Okay, so of course, when you go into your assignment and click on it and click on your example, I'm going to go through a few frequently asked questions first, just to cover our bases. I will put those on the next slide as well for you to look at. The thing I get asked the most, one of the things, is how do I insert a picture? So let me click on this here. Okay, so remember you're going to go to this icon here. Okay, it looks like mountain. So you'll click it. To take your own pictures, you hit the camera here. If you would like to search on Google, you can say search the web. And of course, just always remember only appropriate images, please. Thank you. Okay, so that's how you insert an image. Another frequently asked question is, how do you say brave in Spanish? Or how do you say, I don't know, timid in Spanish? If you would like to look up an adjective that we did not specifically learn about, you can go to a website called wordreference.com. And then you will change the settings to make sure they're English to Spanish, and then you can type in your adjective. Make sure it's an adjective though, not a noun, not a verb. We are looking for adjectives. So that's how you would do that. Another frequently asked question is, well, I want to say that he likes to play video games. Remember, we're not including that. That's not what we're talking about here. What you're including is his or her name is blank, and he or she is blank, 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 3 adjectives. Okay, so remember to keep it simple. Only use what you know and use your resources. Okay, let's say you are ready to turn in this material. So you are going to, let's see here. We're going to go to View Assignment. Your screen will look different from mine. Anyway, there will actually be on yours, there will be a turn in button. I believe it's going to be maybe in the 3 dots or somewhere up in the corner. I can't tell because it is my screen is not the same as yours. But anyway, somebody will figure it out, and that person can help others. So you'll just hit turn in assignment, and I will get an email that lets me know that you have turned it in, and that way I can go look at it. And then, of course, I can share it with your teacher later so that you can add it to your portfolio. So do a good job, work diligently, use your resources, and I will see you guys soon. Adios.